got. Open the box. Got some slaps. The VRSF slap. Got your chart. Let you know what's up. Here we got the goodies. Let's see what we got. Of course, we got the blow off valve. That real tile blow off valve. You know what I mean? Let's get that installed. Comes with your O-ring. That back in there. It's for your pressure hose. Goes on top. And you got your clamp. That's what's in there. Hold on for that. Big box. Got us a O-ring. This is the VRSF blow-off valve kit. So it came with the O-ring. Got the invoice. Some more slaps. Got us some other clamps for your hoses and the pipe. Got that crispy VRSF sleeve with the hose. And then got us the caps for the diverter valves. And then we got the back. So this is the Bad Mammoth Jam. So we got quality. Yo, VSR for it. Look it up. So, yep, that's what it looks like. That's what we're gonna get installed. Got the tile blow off valve ready. Charge pipe with the clamps on. So come under the hood. Under. Most people will have the whole cowl, have the old box in. I already got my cold air intakes on, but start taking stuff apart. You can probably first. Alright, so first we're gonna start by taking off this cabin air filter. Just get these little screws right here. One on this side. We're gonna get these cold air intakes off, slide in, grab this clamp. He said he was slapping the wire for no reason. Y'all have neighbors? Yeah, me too. Ask them why you trying to make a video. Hey.
They came through with the slap ridge.
Got warnings nowadays. People know when you're about to do something. Who knew? Anyways, so next we took the cold air intakes off. Mine already capped, my the rid valves already capped off, so we're enjoying that. But we'll start taking this charge pipe off. Same thing, flathead. Show them right here. Show them what we're taking off right here. This clamp. Yeah, that's what we're taking off. Get out here, clay there. Next, I'm gonna take off this clip right here. Use a pick tool. This is the tool I'm gonna be using. Take it off. Simple as that.
put this on.
So we did put it on. Hey, so we got the charge pipe on finally. Took a little bit of hassling. Had to actually remove this reservoir out the way just to get the coupler and the pipe to fit up. But everything's tied down. Got the MAP sensor put on. Back down here. Got the hose fit on to the blow-off valve. Everything's tightened down. Now we're gonna put the cones on and get everything buttoned up. We're back. So everything's back on. Got the blow-off valve looking clean. VRSF. Got the VRSF cones. Everything on. We're gonna get a cold start. It's been a couple days since the car's been started, so we're gonna get that cracking. So recap, we got the VRSF blow-off valve, charge pipe, and we switched it out for these old school things. The homie AG gonna start it up for me. AG, give it a little red. He all scared. Shy guy.
Blue 42.
Blue 42. Rev it up, dude. End result. The banger. Yep. Till next time. Got some more mods coming up soon. Peace.